Hey there, everybody. My name's Chris Grahusko, astronomer, photographer, but I do investing part-time. Now, let's see here. Is this going to focus? Okay. So, I want to help people realize that the investing apps are not that complicated. My Instagram page is Stocks for Success. You can see that in my About section on my profile here on YouTube. STOCKSFORSUCCESS. Stocks for Success. All one word on Instagram. Or you can hashtag 915 stocks. So it's 915 STOX. Hashtag. So I'm about to do a trade here. Now, how do I know what to trade? Well, okay, let me go back to markets. So on this Webull app, you have Watchlist. That's just a bookmarks of your favorite stocks. Markets. Excuse me. Allergies. So if you hit markets, it tells you who's doing best. So I found these today: ANCN, PRVL, BCDA. But this one's like in Israel, and I bought a stock one time called NanoX in Israel, and it kind of dropped at some point. So I just kind of look for the ones that are based in the US. So like, if I find one here, like Prevail, which I'm about to buy, I'll go check it in Robinhood just to see if it's American. So this one's based in New York. And then on Robinhood, when you type it in on the search, Prevail, you can read about it. So it'll tell you, like Robinhood will say, hey, we recommend this, 100% buy. So right away I'm like, okay, it's based in New York. It's recommended 100%. I'll put my money on it. Anyway, you should always check these stocks charts, like long term, 1 year, you know. I mean, it's not a continuous upward trend, but it's suddenly going upwards now. So there's other stocks out there that are wonderfully long-term, uphill, uptrending. I'll show you. One of them is Square. SQ is the symbol for that. Square in San Francisco, worth about almost 100 billion, that does the credit card processing. Actually, let me show you real quick. Square. Check this out. This is like the best stock in the world that does credit cards by sticking a square shape into your headphone jack. They also own Cash App. But like, look at this. Hello? Oh, come on. Okay, so Square. Check this healthy chart. So Square was like $76 a year ago. Now it's $218. Look at this beautiful, healthy, upward graph. This is where to put all your money if you want to, because it will reward you. So like you press and hold, and then you go back to like last year. Look at that, $63 a share. Last Christmas Eve. Now look at it. It went up 233% in a year. Now it's at 216 from $63. My God. That is one of the best stocks in the world. You need to put your money on that one. And you can look at the thing here, like market cap. That just means what it's worth. So they're worth 98 billion. Okay. And Volume just means how many people are trading it. 2 million trades. What else can I show you here? So, yeah. Really good stock. Went up 235% since last year. That is the best one in the world. But, you know, if you don't have $218, you can find cheaper ones like the one I'm about to buy. Prevail. So, now that I checked that, I'm going to go back to Webull and buy it. So, I go here, trade, okay, so don't let this scare you. All you gotta say is, how much do I want? I got, well, let's look at my account here. I have $52 to spend. The reason I got that was because I referred a friend and they gave me 6 free stocks, and I sold them all so that I could just get the cash to reinvest it in something better. So if you refer somebody on this app with a referral link and they deposit $100 into this app, you'll get like 6 free stocks, and he'll get 2, or she, or it, or whatever, if it's a rabbit, you know. So anyway, so I'm gonna go buy this stock. Markets, okay, Prevail, let's go buy that. Trade. I got 52 bucks, so I can afford 2 shares. 2 shares. And then I'm gonna, let's see, $45.88. Let me screenshot that for my records. Okay. And then, all right. So don't worry about all this other hocus pocus. It's not that important. So I'm gonna buy. And then, yeah. So let me screenshot that. And then, all right. Sorry, it's allergies, not COVID. Don't worry. Confirm. And it's in. So why did I do that? Why? Well, you know, I just thought this stock on Robinhood, if you go back and look, in the past week, it's gone up $11. Okay, your order to buy has been filled by Webull. Okay, so, you know, the reason I bought it, I just looked at the history. Like, okay, in the past month, it's gone up $13 a share at $22 a share. That's not a bad performance, and that's a great ratio. For every share, you're getting, like, you know, more than half your money back. So, really good. 3 months, $10 up in a year. Well, who cares about the year? It's not a long-term situation here. I guess that's why they call it day trading. But, you know, for the most part, for the short term, it's something you can make some profit off of for a short-term period, maybe a couple of weeks. So that's about it. Thank you for joining. Please hit your subscribe button for me, and I will do the same. And don't forget to like and save to your playlists. And I hope that helps you. But, you know, this is real easy stuff. I mean, all these stock apps and investing nowadays, because of modern technology, everything is simplified, even nuclear physics, so to speak. But, you know, I just encourage everyone that instead of spending time on Instagram and Facebook and whatever else you might be doing out there on your phone, donate some time to investing, because these are simple things. They're easy to learn. The apps are there. They're there to help you, and they're very simple and basic, and it's not as hard as it looks, and it's very, very helpful and beneficial to your life. I mean, the more time you spend on these things, it's going to pay your bills. So, you know, Most people just work to pay their bills instead of looking at Instagram or Facebook. But if whatever you're doing, as long as it pays your bills, then that's a good place to put your time. So nowadays the world is very distracted anyway, and everyone's wasting time anyway, so you might as well waste it on something beneficial like a stock app. So thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye.